All right, for a dumbbell row, we have to get the back down close to horizontal, certainly 45 degrees or below. If I'm pulling and I'm above horizontal, I'm not really using all the back muscles. I'm getting too much into the traps. So as you get good at this, there's a lot of ways to get down horizontal or close to horizontal. I can just hinge it, loading the posterior chain. I can come back into a lawnmower. As a beginner, I'm gonna have you use a chair because you can hinge that spine down, get down to 45 degrees, drop a leg back, and use this hand on the chair to stabilize you here. Now that's just below 45, so if I can get a little lower, that's even better. Now this row, for a low row, is gonna hang down there close to the body. Elbow goes just above the plane of the back, and that shoulder blade has to come back to really get a full contraction of all the target back muscles. Now, as I said, that's a low row, and I like that one pretty good, and that's a high row. That's harder to do. You might not be ready for that, but if you're gonna do a high row, you want that shoulder down, that elbow hanging, that forearm hanging right under the elbow, and I'm taking that elbow right above the plane of the back and opening that front of that shoulder as that shoulder blade goes way back and migrates towards my spine. Let's do the rest of these in middle row. Remember, middle row, this dumbbell is 45 degrees off my spine. My upper arm is 45 degrees off my body. And I've got that down long at the bottom, back stays nice and flat, and I'm pulling through the back muscles. It's going to take you a while to believe and to really experience and feel that you're pulling through those back muscles. And you're gonna sometimes pull too high, and you're gonna learn how to pull just to the plane of the back and really move that shoulder blade back. It's down far from my ears, and it's coming back. I'm opening that, but not too much, not crazy. I don't wanna rotate. I just wanna get that back to where it's comfortable and strong, and I can feel that shoulder blade in close to my spine. I can feel all of these back muscles long, and I can feel all of them short. So you'll do this with a lightweight dumbbell for a while, maybe 5, I like to think 8, and then you're gonna work up to where you're pulling 10 pounds, 12 pounds, 15 pounds. A lot of you at home can pull 20 pounds, 25 pounds, but really learn to feel that you're stable, you're long through the spine, you're not round, you're long through the spine, the head is back, and it's these back muscles, it's this whole quadrant, these lats, these traps, and really importantly, the muscles in between the shoulder blades that pull the shoulder blade to the spine. Right there at the top of that row, that whole left side of my upper back is all contracted and short, but not too far back. And then when it's long, it's all the way long. It's a and then that's my back muscles, squeezed, long. Exhale it up, full contraction, not too far back. You should be strong and comfortable at the top and really down horizontal. You're gonna tend to creep up tall like this, and you're gonna feel it all up in here, and then bring yourself back down towards horizontal. It's not horizontal, but for sure below 45 degrees. Work with that. Let me know how it goes.